Hello, good afternoon, viewers. I am Nitisha from Mantra Gold Coatings, and I welcome you to the special quarantine lockdown session of Mantra Bliss. So, Mantra Bliss have been a source of inspiration for many when it comes to the home decor needs. And from past few weeks and a month, we have been trying and doing a significant effort to make Mantra Bliss sessions relevant to the current scenario with some useful information which can bring difference in your life. So without wasting further time, let me bring into the current session. So today's session is about living in the moment. So when we say living in the moment, it sounds like yes, we are living and we are in the present. So logically it is we are living in the present moment. But does it have a deeper meaning? Yes, it does have. So with my session, I will explain you about the deeper meaning of living in the present. We all are victims of time, be it from the poor to the millionaires. Nobody is perfectly happy all the time. We all have our own problems which we are dealing with. Our mind keeps wandering from the past regrets and to the unseen future. Our mind keeps going from the future to the past, and which makes us invisible to the present situations. So let me tell you how we can be in the present moment, why it is important. So why is living in the moment important? Living in the moment is important for better relationships. Imagine being with a person who is physically present with you but mentally is not present. Nobody wants to be in the company of such a person. When you are being in the present moment, enjoying every moment, everyone wants to be with you. Secondly, it helps to improve your health. It gives you better health. So when you are in the present moment, living in the moment, you are stress free, anxiety free. So it gives you a better health, reduces the blood pressure and cholesterol things, and it gives you a better health. Also, thirdly, it gives you better self control. Imagine when you all have a control of your mind, your body, your emotions. You know what to say, what to do, and what is going to happen. So this gives you a better self control. These things are important, and it can be happened only when you are living in the present, in the moment. So let me drive to the next part of the session, like how can we live in the present and in the moment. First thing is freeing yourselves from the past. So how can we free ourselves from the past? We have to let our past go. Every one of have some regrets in the life, and some past accomplishments also which we keep thinking and dwelling over it, and we don't let it go. So first thing is let go of the past, live in the moment. If you have hurt somebody, forgive others, and most importantly, forgive yourself. Give us a second chance. Give yourself a second chance. When you are this life is this COVID-19 has showed that life is very impermanent. There's no point in keeping hurt within ourselves. So let go of this hurt, forgive others, and forgive yourself. Second is smile more often. It is well said that smile costs you nothing. With a smile, you can bring happiness in your life. Indulge in small and precious moments in your life. The laughter of your kids, the small naughty things they do, indulge in that. Bring special moments in your life. Enjoy those little small moments. Smile for those moments. Thing next is paying attention to the present. Being aware of what is happening right now. It is only possible through deliberate focus. When you focus on the things, objects, and people around you. Next thing is loving what you do. So we all know what we are doing, the current jobs and what you're doing, and the foreseen jobs which will be doing it. And right now in the current situation, we have got this, lot of people have got this work from home opportunity. Utilize this time, strengthen this time, enjoy, because we have this the time, freedom and liberty without commutation. We have this time to enjoy with the family, working at the home. So enjoy this time of being at home. Next is things, stop worrying about the future. There's two things about, one is called as concern and next is worrying. Concern is about when you are genuinely concerned about something, you find a solution to it and you solve it. Worrying about is something is like which is out of your control. When you keep worrying, it just brings you anxiety and stress, which is out of your control. So stop worrying about the future. Stop worrying about the future. Next thing I'm going to say is dream about the future. You might feel it contradictory to the above point I said, but dreaming about the future is different from worrying about the future. Dreaming about the future sets you to the goals. Set some goals for a better future. It keeps you focused, it keeps you more aligned towards a better future. Next thing is think out of the box. Think of solutions which can bring happiness in your current situation, which can give you solutions to solve the current problems. Think out of the box. Keep your mind free from other things and keep the mind more occupied with the current situation. Next is conquering addictions. Addictions, both physical and mental, keeps us chained towards our past. They rob us cherishing the current moments, the present moments with family, friends, and other loved ones. If you're unable to let go of these addictions, seek professional help. Now, this lockdown period is the best time to implement all these points which I have told you, because it is very important for once we go back to our regular lives, we won't really have the time and the mental energy to think of all this and implement all this. We become busy with other things. So use this valuable time to let go of the past, stop worrying about the future. Use the time to cherish and value the people around you. Also, how can you practice all these things? The thing is mindfulness. Mindfulness is mindful meditation, mindful breathing, mindful walking, mindful activity. What does it mean? Be with the present, mindful breathing. Concentrate on your breathing, mindful meditation. Concentrate, it is relaxing all your senses so that you can concentrate on the present. Mindful walking, what does it mean? Think of your steps, look around your trees, the nature around you. So be in the present, stop thinking of the other things. You have the past is unseen, so let that past be the past is let the past go and the future is unseen. So don't worry about the past and the future. Let your mind be in the present. Try to create moments with your family, with your kids, which you want to multiply and cherish for your lifetime. Because this is the moment which is in your hand. You cannot change the past, or you cannot see the future right now. But the present is present. You can live in this moment happily. You can make more moments, happy moments in your life. So, guys, this is it for me today. If you have some personal living in the moment experience, do share with us, with our followers in the comments down. Share some magical and miraculous stories of your life, which can give us some inspiration for life and our followers. So, thank you for joining me on the Mantra Gold Coating session for today. We shall be back with some more life changing sessions every week. And most importantly, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Let's fight this coronavirus together and be safe. Okay? See you guys next time. That's all for today. Bye.